New day, new park. Today we're at
Blizzard Beach!
Blizzard Beach.
This is so cool!
Right, you gotta do your little things.
I want to go in there now.
Well, the wave pool's right in front of us.
In Blizzard Beach, and soon we're gonna go in the warm and sunshine water. Yeah, we're going to the lockers now, and then we can jump in the water. Relaxing water, and maybe we can even go in the rapid.
The rapid?
Yeah.
What's a rapid? What's a rapid? You mean the rapids?
Yeah. And the lazy river is really relaxing. You can just lay there all day.
Ready, Rory? Is it cold?
Oh, Mummy.
Rory, gonna go in the cold.
It's warm.
Bye, Rory.
Bye.
Christ. Oh, Rory, this is cold for me, Rory.
Loving it.
Rory.
Get a picture.
Rory.
Yeah, get up.
Lacey, kick!
Here, quick, come over this way.
Kicking!
Hello. Oh no! Hello. There we go. We're on. We're all on. We're all on our little thingies.
I really want to dive in the water.
Woo! Rory, are we about to go through it?
Try and get us in the middle of it.
Oh, no.
Taste it.
Oh no, Raw. I'm not gonna like it either. Get over the side. Ah! Ah! We've done it, Raw. We've done it, Raw. Look at that. She's going straight through the middle. What happened there? What happened there, bro? Look where we are. Wow. Oh dear, that was cold.
I need to get home.
Wow, he's gone, Raw.
Rory.
What's going on, Raw?
Lacey, finish.
Ah, you're relaxing, Lace. Perfect.
Say hi.
I see you, Rory. I see you. Ugh. Anyone know what that is? Can't work that out. Right, Lacey, you'll go through the water.
I'm not. No. Don't you dare do that. No, you're sacrificing me.
I'm sacrificing you, Lace. Sacrifice Lacey! Sacrifice Lacey! Rory, did we sacrifice Lacey? Did we? There she is. Can you see her? Can you see her? Look, look, everyone look. I can see you all. Rory, I can see you. Can you see me, Rory? So we just done some lazy river, haven't we, Lace?
Yeah, it's really relaxing.
Really relaxing. And now we're going to a green.
And it was only basically us and there on the river, so it was really quiet.
Right, let's see.
If you cannot reach, if you can't reach, you can actually frog leap, like, you know, like jump on the frog if you like.
Oh, you got to do it like a frog, Leo. Go on then, let's see what you got.
Go for it.
Yeah, go on, Leo.
Oh no,
All the way, Leo. Keep going.
Now you can get a bit further.
Go, Leo. Quick! You gotta go before it moves away. You gotta go.
2 hours later.
Go. Right, and again, you gotta go. You gotta move quick. Go on, Lacey. Show 'em how it's done. Go on the other one, Lacey. So you overtake him. Right, Rory's coming down. Rory's coming down. Yay! Woo-hoo-hoo! Good boy, Ro. Where is Rory? There you are. Hello. Come on. Come on. Yay! Come on in. Yay!
Okay, I'm coming,
Bye, Leo. Woo!
That's really fun.
See
I want to go on again. That is really fun.
ya.
Wait, Maurice, I'm going to go fast in a minute.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at you! Look at you! Good boy! Good boy! Jump up! Yay! Oh! Oh! Look! Olaf is over there. See? Ah! 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 Ready? Yay! Are you floating with your mum in the air? Hiya! Woohoo! Right, ready? Whee! Woo! Yay! Good boy!
Also, who's number one? Rory loved and Daddy was scared. Wait, he wasn't a scared.
No, it was just cold.
Yeah, he was a freezing man.
And then we went on the big, what was it, the family, it was a family one, wasn't it? A family run thing. We didn't think Rory would be big enough, but he was. We sat on a big dinghy. That was good.
And now we're going to a family slide, and we have to go on our tummies on carpets.
Do ya?
Yeah,
Go on, Ro.
and also it's like Jasmine in Aladdin because they ride a carpet.
Oh, right. I can see Mummy, Lacey and Leo up there. So up behind, well, in front of me is Lacey, Mummy and Leo on the far end, and they're about to have a race down here. They're on their lines. It looks like Mummy is in the middle, Lacey on the left, and Leo is on the right hand side, on the far right hand side. There seems to be a bit of an altercation at the top there, but Leo is now on his toboggan. Mummy in the middle, Lacey on the left, Leo in the right. Oh, and they've already gone, and Mummy had a false start. Lacey's in the lead, coming flying down. Oh, but Mummy's catching up. Oh, and oh, look, Mummy for the win. Oh, it looks like a... Oh, there we go. Yay! There they go. Quick, Lace. Rory waving. Rory waving. Where are you going? Where are you going? Wow.
Bye.
Good boy, Rory.
We're going to the
Yeah, and off they go.
Bye bye.
And Lacey, we'll never see him again.
Bye. It's only us two living in the hotel now.
That's it. Ta-da.
Bye.
See you later. We need to go and find that slide exit,
Why?
because that's where they're going to be coming out,
Oh.
isn't it? They're
Yeah.
going to go up there, and then they're going to come down that big family slide.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to try and find them down the family slide. They're going up there now, and then they come down the big family slide. So we've got to try and race them there and see if we can beat them there, Lacey.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's look for it. Where is it?
I don't know. I think we go up the stairs. We go upstairs.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Right. Well, let's think about this.
I
It
know
goes
we
round there. Let's go round this way.
Where's the exit?
Where are we going?
We-
Right. Could it be this way?
Yeah.
Could be this way. Do you think we're going to make it?
I don't know.
Oh, I think they're already at the top.
Oh no.
I think they're already at the top. We got to try and beat them. Where is it? Don't know. Where is it? Oh, there they are. We beat them.